So I'm just trying to up my game a little with being able to do some scientific testing, prepping for a field trip and being able to work out whether something's jade or not, and even if it's jadeite or nephrite. But the problem is there's a difference of 0.5 and it's very difficult to separate those two out. So I've basically bought this kit because it's got a 6.5 and it might be able to scratch the nephrite and not the jadeite, and that may help me. That may tell me the difference between the two. Just doing some research on that, the 0.1 is not legit. It's just an interpolation, an average, sort of a guess. There is something here called Vickers hardness, which if I jump down to here, they just grab a diamond point of known force and then they measure the hole that it makes, and so that's far more accurate. So the Mohs scale is really just sort of a guess. When they say 4, it can be really close to 3 or really close to 5. It's really just less than 3, less than 5, greater than 3. It really is plus or minus 1, and you'll see that with the calibration I've done. So really trying to get it down to at least the 0.5, whereas this is really plus or minus 1. And so just doing a translation on this package, you can see that they're all just a little bit a touch higher, 1 or 2 slightly higher, so you can be sure that if it scratches it, it's less than Mohs 4 or 4.5 or 5, and there's the more accurate method to do it with. You've got special instrumentation, and so just doing calibration on that, it's really fine, the scratches on the file, and you can really feel the bumps when you do the rock. So you just got to be really careful about how you do it. This is how broad the scratches are if I was actually using a rock against the glass. And it was comforting to know the 5 didn't scratch it, the 6 did, and the 5.5 didn't really do much at all. So it felt like it was really very close to 5.5, definitely within 0.5, less than 0.5, and this one was definitely between 6 and 6.5. So that was good as well. The 6.5 seemed to scratch it, and the 6 didn't. So it is somewhere in between that. So it is a higher quality steel. The Swiss Army knives, as I suspected, it's on the higher end of steel. So it's good to have something to a surface for the rocks to scratch, and not just something to scratch the rocks to help you work out more accurately what it is. And just going to the standard minerals now, the fluorite. This is a pure crystal of a standard color. So the 4 scratches is sort of slightly less than 4. So I have scratched this with quartz before. It's definitely less than 7, but I thought the 6.5 wouldn't scratch it. It looks like it scratches it, but that's just the metal coming off. So you've got to give it a good wipe. I use the by loop by 10 to have a careful look to see whether there's really is indentations or not. And so the feldspar is greater than 6.5, definitely less than 7 though. So it is plus or minus 1 when they say 6. It's definitely less than 7 and greater than 5, and so these files are really good. These files definitely get you down to a less than 0.5 accuracy, whereas these this is slightly less. Now I have scratched this with a 3. I mean, got the 4 to scratch the 3. So these standards definitely are true to plus or minus 1, but this one surprisingly was below 4. So I thought this one would be very close to 4. And this one's above 6.5. So these files really are a much higher accuracy. Instead of plus or minus 1, I'm now getting to less than plus or minus 0.5. So that's about as good as I can get. Okay. Okay, so I hope that is helpful. Go if you're really interested in trying to get the true hardness. These files are quite good.